Welcome to this incredible ranch situated in the desirable Wayne Hills section of Wayne. It has been impeccably maintained and offers all the space you need, over 2,800 square feet, and includes a recently renovated gorgeous kitchen that dreams are made of. But don't take my word for it. Come on in and see for yourself.